Good morning, it's Alan at Buckland Junction. I'm not sure, but I think there's a... Come on camera. Come on camera, you can do it. Oh! Yeah, that is some bird, isn't it? Is that a gannet? No, what is that? That is a big bird. He's looking for his breakfast, so am I. Wow. What a lovely setting. Now I'm off to see the Caledonian Railway. Well, I've had my breakfast, I've had my walk. Now let's go and find the Caledonian Railway, which is in this little town of Brechin. I hope I've said that right. I'll have to ask a local how to say it, but let's go and have a look. Wow, here we are in the centre of town. And look at this, beautiful station, look. I fear it's shut, but I'm going to go and have a poke around and see if anybody's going to let me in to have a look around. So, here we go. Caledonian Railway, Brechin Station. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but it could be Brechin. So let's go and have a look further. It's closed, but I might be able to get in, you never know. This is a look at the backyard. Somebody's coming in the gate, so I might be able to get a look around. Just had a chat with one of the volunteers, a lovely man. Interesting, told me the ins and outs of the railway here. It's lost its link to the main line in 1981, he says. And I was just looking at this. This is kind of a loading bay for your parcels and things. You back your truck up against there, or your horse and cart, and wheel on your goods. So here we go. Now this is the cafe, the whistle stop. Caledonian Railway wheelbarrow. They're really grand, all in this heavy looking stone. I'm not sure what stone that is. Let's go and have a look in the back gate. Well, I think this is what they call a thumper, a diesel, a DMU. I'm taking this above the gate, so please forgive the camera work. They've got two working steamers, one in repair and two in storage. They've got quite a collection of diesel locomotives, and yeah, I'm going to take a trip down the line now, following the line. Apparently the road follows the line quite well, so now I'll go and have a look at the other station, which is called Dun, D-U-N I think. So let's go and have a look. Yeah. Too much. Okay, I'm on my way. That's the end of this station at Brechin. I think the lad said it was Brechin. Never mind. I should have got him to say it. Just got to show you this lovely bridge, and from the top of it I can see a lot of locomotives and rolling stock. So let's go and have a look. Wow, from this wonderful bridge, look at these pillars holding up this thing I'm standing on. Look, too much. Let's just have a little pan around, because there's a guy here in the river fly fishing, or he was. I think he's stopped for a cup of tea now. Got a Scottish flag here, flying proudly. There we go. Proud Scottish people. Ah, now then, where am I? Oh, I've got to come off the zoom. Oh, you plonker, Alan. Oh, I've lost. There's the van. What a lovely bridge this is. Very pretty. Now zoom on again. Let's have a look. There's the railway bridge. And I can have a look at some of their clutter they got here. A few machines, obviously. Bit of a workshop there. I bet there's something going on in there. My batteries will hold out a bit longer. Oh, hang on a minute. There's a class. What's that? Is that a class 3 shunter? Loads of railway. Apparently given donated by Network Rail. Another workshop and some class 20s. Look. I think that's a class 20. Some bits and bobs and another workshop. So that's about all I can see. So yeah. I had a word with the gardener up here at this station, the House of Dun. Bridge of Dun, sorry. Yeah, interesting guy. And yeah, I'll come back and have another visit when it's running, but I'm unlikely to. So it's Alan on the move. I'm going to Forfar now, a closed station on this railway. But look at that. Okay, off to Forfar. There's a station and a signal box not far from here. All closed but open. What a pretty bridge. Good morning, welcome to Buckland Junction. We're off to Royal Deeside. Yeah, Deeside Railway today, so let's see what we can find. Well, we're here at the Royal Deeside Railway. I think things are a bit more on a lockdown in Scotland. In the UK, all the steam places I want, there was something going on, but here, so far, they've all been closed. Bit of a shame, really, because they've got, looks like they've got some great things. Firstly, we've got this. What do you think that is? Class 3? I'm not very good with all the numbers. Ooh. She sees in fair fettle. Another version of buffer stops. Seen quite a few different ones this week. Excellent. I've got to go and get some batteries. This is about the best view of the station I can get. I can see some bod working down there, so got some nice carriages and a lovely brake van there. So I'll go and see what else I can see. Some nice point work here. Yeah. Well, it's a lovely wooden station. All painted, looking very sweet, and is one of my other favourite things. This is a Jag E-Pace. Look at the shapes. Oh, what a wonderful machine. I'm just having a walk down the line. I think I've done about 500 yards so far, but the rail's changed from that to this. Never seen this strange plate before. New to me. Where is it? Yeah, look at that. I've never seen one of those before. Different kind of rail joiner. What are they? I've forgotten now. From this. Whoops. Yeah, from that. Chairs to that. Strange. Anyway, I'll carry on to the end of the line. Well, there you go. That is the end of the line. It's about a mile's worth of track. But beyond these gates here, they've got another yard. something going on down there. It looks like a motorised coach kind of thing. I can't really see the LED screen because the sun is out, but oh yeah, there's something going on there. So I'm going back now because it's a good mile back to the van, back to the station, so I'm on my way. Got lots to see today. Or maybe I'll just pop down there and have a look. Well, I think I have reached the end of the line. Look, masses of sleepers, concrete ones, and some kind of DMU, I reckon. Lovely. I am turning back for the van now. My battery light's flashing. I hope that's been informative for you. So that's Alan out for the moment. Yet another kind of rail chair. Never seen one of those before. Looks like I've been missing out on a lot. And here we have the River Dee making its way downstream. Lovely. And there is mint growing. Is this mint or spearmint? It smells gorgeous. So that's the Dee. Look at that. How lovely. Look, that's just what I need. Look at that, a little truck to service the rails with for the lads to travel. I don't know what I'm talking about. And look at this. Lovely. And this is the end of the station. I can't get any closer than this. But, and I can't see what I'm doing because the LED screen almost looks, well, the sun's shining on it, so I hope that's captured what's there. So that's now back to the car park. Well, that's goodbye from the Deeside Royal Deeside Railway. That's the end of this video because my next train place is Keith, about 40-50 miles from here, so that will be tomorrow. So thanks for watching. More to come. This is Alan out. This one's for Charlie. Hey up, Charlie. Oh, I found a stone circle. Let's go and have a look. Not everybody's cup of tea, but I am a bit of a druid, I suppose. Yeah, lovely. Getting bothered by a few flies because there's a farmyard next door. So that's that. It's not trains, so I'm leaving here now. So more to follow. Here's another stone. Let's go and have a look. I can't announce that. Easter Aquartes. Ah. Well, this is the last stone circle of the day. I hope the wind's not doing the microphone in too much. There's a recumbent stone there looking southeast, something to do with the moon. There's 11 rocks here. Look, Charlie, what your ancestors done. How wonderful to leave this behind. That's going to be here forever. So, Alan out, going to Keith tomorrow to see some more railway stuff. Alan out. Well, that's it for this video. I've had a really busy day from starting at the Royal Deeside Railway. I've done a few stones, as you know, and tomorrow I'm going to Keith, to the Keith and Dufftown Railway. So that's what I'll be doing tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be open, but we can have a look around all the stations and travel the length of the line, probably in the van. So that's that tomorrow. And the other thing I want to do is go to either Lossiemouth or somewhere up there, because I want to go higher. This will be 5 miles higher than I've ever been in a truck. More north, 5 miles more north than I've ever been in a lorry. So that's Alan booking off. Keith tomorrow. Where is it? Yeah, Keith tomorrow. And that's me done for today. So Alan out. Bye. This is Al in the van. I'm pirate camping again. I've just had 2 young foxes having a sniff around the van. I've just put out 2 pieces of cheese just there, and see if we can get them to come back. Well, it's Alan in the van. I'm just editing this video, but let me do this. That's it. Oh, let me do that. Oh, get over. Firstly, have a look at the sky. The camera's making it much lighter. It's a real blood red. And just out there, I put out some cheese, waiting for the foxes to come back. But I've just seen them. Oh, my camera's gone spaz. Oh, come on, camera. What are you doing? Yeah, they haven't come back for the cheese. I've just seen them go running up the road. Where's my finger? They've just gone running up the road, the 2 fox cubs, so they're upwind of the trees now, but I'll leave it out for them. Maybe in the morning they'll be gone. I was hoping to get them baited on camera, but no. So that's Alan in the van saying good night. Well, I'm gonna have a beer and then put myself to bed. Take care. That's the Highlands over there. Alan out.